Before you begin, remove the battery. Removal. Carefully separate the display bezel from the adhesive and retention tabs on the display panel and display enclosure. Important: a non-metallic flat-bladed tool should be used to separate the lower edge of the display bezel from the adhesive on the display panel. Lift and remove the display bezel. Partially remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure. Remove the four 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the top of the display panel hinges and display panel to the display enclosure. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the bottom of the display panel hinges to the display enclosure. Important: the brackets on the top edge of the display panel are under the display panel hinges. Take care not to bend the display panel hinges when removing this portion of the display panel. Lift the display panel off of the alignment pins and place it face down on the top cover. Peel back the retention tape and disconnect the display panel cable from the display panel. Remove the display panel. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.